She shivers in the wind like the last leaf of a dying tree. I let her hear my footsteps. She only goes still for a moment. Care for a smoke?
Sure. Take one. Are you as bored by that crowd as I am?
Didn't come here for the party. Came here for you. I've watched you for days. You're everything a man could ever want. It's not just your face, your figure, or your voice. It's your eyes. All the things I see in your eyes.
What is it you see in my eyes?
I see a crazy calm. You're sick of running. You're ready to face what you have to face. You don't want to face it alone.
No. I don't want to face it alone.
The wind rises electric. She's soft and warm and almost weightless. Her perfume a sweet promise that brings tears to my eyes. I tell her that everything will be alright. That I'll save her from whatever she's scared of and take her far, far away. I tell her I love her. The silence makes a whisper of the gunshot. I hold her close until she's gone. I'll never know what she was running from. I'll cash her check in the morning.